Morning, kids. I'm your computer teacher, Mohana Ravi. Today, we are going to see our first lesson, book back exercises. Okay, we are going to see our book back exercises from first lesson. Before that, I want to give you a small revision of the previous video where we saw our first lesson, deep explanation. Okay, even the contents I've used from the book back exercises, or sorry, on the book only. Okay, from the book only, I have took the text too. Okay, we'll start the recap now. First, we saw can we do multitasking job like computer do, like dancing, singing, reading, all at a time together, all at a time in single shot. Can we do that? No, right? So we cannot do all in one time. Okay. Then we saw getting tired is possible for computer. Getting tired is possible for computer. Do computer gets tired, feel tired? No, right? It won't. Only human do that. Okay. Next. And what is a computer? We saw computer is an electronical machine and it works continuously without doing any mistake and do all jobs at a time, variety of jobs at a time, and it works fastly and without doing any mistake. Okay. Next we saw various works, that is multitasking I have explained. Okay, multitasking I have explained. Likewise, if you are listening, if you are watching a movie, the same time you can also take printout. The same time you can type something and you can take a printout of that. Okay, so not only that, if you are a programmer, you can write program also at the same time. Okay, so likewise, you can do multitasking at a time. We can do many jobs. Next, we saw computer components of computer. Okay, what are all the components, peripherals? That is keyboard, monitor, CPU, mouse, speaker. From first standard, we are seeing this parts of computer, peripherals of computer. Okay, components of computer. All are same. All belong. All says the five parts of computer. The first one is keyboard, second is monitor, third is CPU, and the fourth is speaker, fifth is mouse. Then we saw detailing what is CPU. CPU is a processing machine which process the data we give input. Okay, whatever the input you are giving, everything will be calculated and the answer would be given to you. So CPU is the processing machine. Okay, CPU is a processing machine, and it not only the calculation work alone it is not doing, it will also do the logical and reasoning job also. Okay, if you ask this or that type of question or yes or no type of question, any type of logical and reasoning question you ask, for that also computer will answer you, because it has arithmetic and logical unit. The unit is called as arithmetic and logical unit. Does all the jobs, both the way it will work. Okay. Next, then what are all the units it has? The CPU, inside the CPU, it has three parts. One is memory and control, and just now we saw arithmetic and logical unit. Okay, that is memory unit is nothing but whatever we type, whatever it gives the answer, what and all you type and what and all the computer is giving you the answer, everything will be recorded for future purpose. And control unit controls the answer to be delivered in which way, either through with monitor or with the printer. Okay, so the control unit controls all other parts of a computer. Okay, next, arithmetic and logical unit, it gives you the answer. Only this unit is called as calculation part. Like a calculator, it calculates, and does logical thinking also. Okay, next. Next, what is memory unit? We saw memory unit is something like a human brain. Okay, we compared it with a human brain because even human brain cannot remember all everything in one stretch. Do we do that? Okay, first time when you learn from your class teacher, the same day, do you remember all everything into your mind? The same day, the same time, the moment your teacher tell you something, the same minute, do you intake all everything into your brain? Do you memorize? No, right? So we have to again and again and again, we have to by heart it. Only then it will stick in our brain. But the computer is not like that. Only once we can. Only once if you type. Only once if you talk. Only once if you give input. The moment you finish, the set, it will take immediately into its brain. It will never ever forget. That much fast. Okay. Next, control unit. What is control unit? Control unit is the part it controls the other part of the computer, like CPU. The control unit is under CPU. It controls the mouse, monitor, printer, and speaker, all everything it controls. Suppose if I want to watch movie in my computer, so the control unit only sends the information to the speaker and to the monitor. So through monitor we can watch the movie, and through speaker we can listen the audio. Okay, so the control unit acts as per our instruction. It controls the all other parts. Next, arithmetic and logic unit. We saw arithmetic and logic unit many a time. I've told you that is, it does calculation part and logical and reasoning part also. Okay, this is a calculation. For example, I have given you. Okay, any toughest calculation also it will be done. Okay, next, and I told you arithmetic and logic unit does logical and reasoning part also, like in the calculations like addition, subtraction, etc., and logical operations such as true or false also. Okay, now from here the book bag exercises starts. Okay, till the last slide I have revised and recapped all everything. Now I went through your complete first lesson book content. Okay, I've given you in last video, if you would have seen the same video, the same slides I've used, and I made it explained. Okay, now from here, from this slide, I am going to explain you the book bag exercises. Okay, so it is like a game only I've decided, so that's why I kept the name as game time. Okay, see here, what is the electronic machine? I've given you two pictures here, kids. I've given you two pictures. One is bus, one is computer. Which one is an electronic machine? Which one takes electricity? Yes, you're right. Computer takes current, electricity. So it is a computer is a electronical machine. Okay. Next, which organ of the human related with CPU? One side lung is there, other side brain is there. Which is related with the computer? We always relate this brain with the CPU, computer CPU. Okay, so brain is related with the computer. Okay, next, identify the arithmetic logic of the operation. Identify the arithmetic and logic of the operation. If you see, there are two pictures. Okay, one in one side, one picture has a flower, beautiful red flower, rose. Okay, other side there is another picture. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Other picture is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Here, which picture is related with the arithmetic and logical unit? Obviously, the numerical part. 2 plus 3 is 5. That is the right option. Okay. Now we are going to see the jumble words, rearranging the jumble words. Jumble means what? It is not arranged correctly. Okay, it is not arranged correctly. We should arrange it correctly in order to make a meaningful word. Okay. Now if you see the first one, ice deep. What is it? Ice deep. Is there any word ice deep? No, right? So what we should do is bring this dev in front. Okay, first you write dev, then you write ice. Okay, just change the order, that's it. Then it becomes device. Okay, then it becomes device. Device is a meaningful word. Okay, then you see metkarthi. What is this metkarthi? There is no word. Okay, there is no word. So what we should do is we should make it in a meaningful word. Arithmetic is the right one. Okay, arithmetic is the right one. Okay, so just change the orders, change the letters and change the orders. Okay, now you see control here, something control, it is not the in right manner, so you should change the order and make it as a meaningful word, control. Okay, then memory also, see memory. Okay, it is ori mem. Okay, so we should change the order, make it in a meaningful word, memory. Memory. Okay, so first one is device, then arithmetic, then control, then memory. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next slide. Now we have to expand the following. What is this expand means? What CPU, MU? We use lots of short code words. Okay, code words, but those are all have long abbreviations. Long abbreviations up there. So we should see that. Okay. First one is CPU. We say CPU, CPU, CPU. What is the CPU? Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit is the abbreviation for this word CPU. I showed you some black color box kind of a picture, no? That is CPU, but actually that name is Central Processing Unit. Then inside the CPU we saw there were three units, MU, ALU, CU. MU is memory unit, like a brain. We compared this unit with brain, human brain. Okay. Then ALU, arithmetic unit. Arithmetic unit. Okay. Then CU is control unit. Actually ALU is arithmetic logic unit. At least if you could write arithmetic unit will do. Okay. Then CU is control unit. Then fill in the blanks. There will be 5 options would be given. You have to choose the right option on the right dash. Okay, right word on the right dash. First one, dash works continuously without making mistake. Dash works continuously. Continuously. Who will work continuously? Human or computer? Who will work without mistake continuously? Only computer will work. So you should choose this computer word here. Okay. Then computer is an electronic machine. Computer is an electronic machine. Computer runs on current. Runs on electricity. So it is an electronic machine. Computer has how many parts? 5 parts. You have to choose this 5 here. Okay, 5 parts. Computer has 5 parts. CPU is called as brain of the computer. CPU is called as a brain of the computer. Okay, so CPU, the word you should select. Okay, inside CPU there is a memory unit that is actually called as the brain. But if you see complete device, complete part, then it is CPU only. Okay, computer stores the information in the memory unit. Computer stores all the input and output information, so what and all questions we ask, what are all the answers computer gives, all everything would be stored here in the memory unit. Okay, so that's all. These 5 fill-ups are there. Options will be given. You have to select the right option. read the questions again and again. So only that you will be able to understand the logic, understand the meaning of the question. Then relatively you can select the right option, right answer. Okay. Next, answer the question. Answer the question means question answer. Choose the electronic machine from the following. From the following, you should select some electronic machine. Which is an electronic machine? Obviously, from the first slide we are studying computer is an electronic machine. Computer is an electronic machine. So, computer is the right answer. Guess the CPU unit from the picture given below. Guess the CPU unit. Which unit is CPU here? Brain. Brain we actually compare. Okay. Then see the policeman. Is he? No. This is the CPU. Okay. CPU. We have to select this CPU. Okay. Next. Identify the arithmetic and logical operation on the picture. Arithmetic and logical operation. Can you see these three pictures? One is A, B, C, D, and all written. One is picture, and there is number. Which is arithmetic means only calculations with a number. So we should select the first picture. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the right answer. Okay, we should select that. Next, this is match. Okay, this is match. You have to select the, you have to draw a line with the right ones. You should match. Memory unit. Okay, memory unit. What is the function of the memory unit? It stores the information, isn't it? It stores all the information. No, whatever you type, whatever questions we ask, whatever information it gives to us, all everything is stored. So it stores information is the right answer. Then arithmetic and logic unit. What is arithmetic and logic unit? Does calculation and logical operation. It does calculation and logical operation. Okay. It means it only gives us the answer. It calculates and gives the answer. Whose control unit? Control unit is a controller of the computer. Control the working of computer. How the computer should work. In which time. This is sometimes printer will work, sometimes mouse will work, sometimes monitor will work. Which part work on which time? That control has the control unit which is there in the CPU. Okay, it controls the working of computer is the right option. Okay, next, help your friends. Help your friend. You should help your friend. Johnny wants to add 5 numbers. Which unit helps him to add? Okay, Johnny wants to add 5 numbers. He has five numbers. It may be like 5 or 8 or 9 or 10, 12, 13, something. He has numbers, any 5 numbers he has. Okay, he wants to add them. So which unit will help him? Arithmetic unit will help him. Okay, then Sweta wants to store her exam mark. Where do her marks get stored? Okay, Sweta wants to store her exam mark. Whatever in 5 subjects she scored, those marks she wants to record. So which unit will help? Memory unit will help her. Okay, memory unit will keep all her record in its memory. Okay, then Aarti's computer's mouse is running here and there. Who take care of it? Mouse is running here and there. Obviously, it nature is like that. In the screen, it will go there and here. But who will control? Control unit will control. Okay, there is a special unit, control unit there in CPU will do this job. Next, Priya needs a device that helps her in typing letters. Okay, Priya needs a device that helps her in typing letters, listening music, calculations, and playing games. Who helps her to work? She wants to do all work somehow. Okay, she wants to do multitasking. Okay, she wants to play games at the same time she wants to calculate and she wants to listen music also. Okay, so who will help her? Obviously, all job will be done by computer only. So computer only will help her. Okay. Then Rahul says he has a brain in his computer. Guess what it is. Okay, guess what it is. Obviously, we have seen many a time the brain belongs to CPU memory units. So you can say only CPU. Okay, CPU is the right option, right answer. Okay, next. Now, there are some questions like dealing with different units. Now, you have to select the right unit. You have to select the right unit. Okay. See here, stores the information. Which unit stores the information? Arithmetic logic unit, computer control unit, memory unit, or CPU. Memory unit only has this ability. It has the ability to memorize all everything. Then subtract two numbers. Not only subtract, any kind of mathematical operation can be done only with ALU, arithmetic logic unit only. Okay. Then I am the brain of the computer. Who says this? I am the brain of the computer. CPU. Okay, CPU. Of course, you can say, why miss? Can't we select memory unit? Can't we select memory unit? Yes, you can save memory unit, but the memory unit is present inside the CPU. On the whole, if you see which is a part of computer, CPU only is a part of computer, not the memory unit. It's just a part in the CPU inside. Okay, inner part of a CPU. So we should select CPU only here. Okay, next. Controls the unit of the computer. Who controls control unit? Controls the computer. Okay, so control unit, CU is the right answer. Keeps the record of all your birthdays. If you want to have a record of all your classmates birthdays, then who will help you to record all these? Then the memory unit should only help you. Okay, so memory unit will be the right answer. Next. Okay, now we have come to the end of the video. Now I went through all the book back exercises. All book back exercises we have gone through. We have done jumble words first. Okay, jumble words, arranging the words in order. Then we have did expanding the short terms, like CPU is like central processing unit, and MU is memory unit. Then ALU is arithmetic logic unit. Then CU is control unit. So these expansion we have seen, and fill up the dashes, selecting appropriate word as per the question. Okay, that we have seen. Then I showed you some two or three pictures, out of which I made some question. You have to choose the right picture. Right picture you should choose. Okay, that we have seen. Then we saw match. Okay, match we have saw. Then help your friends we saw. That is, I have given you different situations. I asked you which unit will help in this situation. So you gave me the right answer. Okay, the different units I showed you. Different units will work, which kind of work on computer, that we saw. Okay, so up to this your book back exercises completes. Okay, so all these exercises I taught you. Now once you get your book, you can check. Now you can check all these exercises will be there present in your book. So if you go through this video again and again, you will have the benefit of reading, going through your book. Okay, kids. So I think I made this video useful to you. We will meet in the next video. Okay, bye, kids.